What if it's possible to create detailed blog posts, social media content, or even research papers effortlessly? In this video, I'm about to show you how to harness the power of AI and automation to transform your content creation process from hours of work into just a few clicks. Stay tuned to discover how you can automate research, content extraction, and even generate polished articles, all using cutting-edge tools and techniques. Let's dive in. Step 1. Setting up the no-code. Automation platform. Step 1 is all about understanding how the main automation process works. In this video, we're creating a system that searches the internet. You tell it a topic, and it looks up the web to find the top 10, 20, 30, or 50 results, whatever you need. Then, it goes through these links one by one, reads the blog posts, and picks out the main ideas and topics you need for writing a blog, making a social media post, or doing research, whatever you want to create. After gathering all this information from the internet, it combines everything using a strong prompt and AI's help to generate the final blog post or content you're aiming for. It's a simple idea. Let's now see how we can make it happen. We need a platform for automating tasks without needing to write code. Make is the perfect choice. I recently started using it, and I'm impressed with how it streamlines my business operations. You can start using it for free. Try it out and see how Make's AI-powered automation can save you and your clients countless hours. Ready to begin? Create your account, and let's dive into the magic. Step 2. Installing and configuring applications. Install my no-cost app within Make. Simply paste it into your browser and follow the app invitation for Extract Web Content. Click to install. This app is crucial for quick data extraction. Choose your organization, click install, and it's done. Easy as that. To set up and adjust the workflow, it originally took me about 4 to 5 hours, involving creating and testing the application, developing prompts, and more. Now, to simplify and save your time, I'll provide you with the workflow. You can directly set it up and adjust it in your own account. Step 3. Detailing the main automation workflow. Click Create a new scenario. You'll find the scenario builder where it's straightforward. Click on the 3 dots, select Import Blueprint, choose the file, and add the JSON file named Make Automation D1 Open. Save it, and voila! The entire scenario will be imported into your account. Next, adjust a few settings to get everything up and running smoothly. Step 4. Using Serper API and other tools. Click on the first module where I'm using the Serper API. Serper is a tool that lets you search Google using an API. It provides 2,500 free queries when you sign up. To get started, go to the Serper website, sign up for free, and obtain your API key. Then, return to our platform, click Add, and paste your API key. Next, open my application and ensure you enter the key Hassan 2024 for free access. Afterward, open the ChatGPT or OpenAI module and connect using your OpenAI API key. If you're unsure how to find it, visit openai.com, log in, and create a new API key. Paste it here, and everything will be configured for you automatically. Step 5. Configuring Google Docs and publishing. The final step is setting up Google Docs. To publish there, click Add Connection and log in with Gmail. It's straightforward. Once connected, when you click Run, it prompts you to enter a topic. I've set this up using Scenario Inputs, adding a topic field. Simply type in any topic like Automate Email Marketing and click OK. The automation then searches the web, converts data to JSON, and processes URLs. Using my tool, it extracts blog posts, crucial for passing content to OpenAI. OpenAI analyzes and extracts ideas from these posts. Once done, you'll find the final article in your Google Doc, accessible via the link provided. This is how our primary example, showcasing AI-driven blog post creation through automation, operates. Step 6. Advanced Automation Workflow. This part of the process utilizes the Serper API to search Google for results via HTTP requests. After retrieving data in JSON format, we parse it using a JSON module to extract organic results, essentially, the Google search outcomes. This is where the iterator comes into play, looping through each organic result. For each result, Our application extracts the web page's content, a pivotal feature that eliminates the need for manual scraping. This content is then passed to ChatGPT, or OpenAI API, where it's analyzed to extract key ideas and information crucial for crafting the final article. We then employ a text aggregator to merge all these elements into a unified text output, ready to be inputted into our OpenAI module. This streamlined process not only enhances efficiency, but also facilitates the creation of comprehensive blog posts up to 1,500 words, which can be seamlessly published on platforms like Google Docs or WordPress with additional modules if needed. I want to highlight the Iterator and Text Aggregator here. These tools combine information from several articles into a single text input for the AI module, which then generates the article. This process forms the basis of our main workflow. Now, let's explore the advanced workflow to see how it differs. In this advanced workflow, instead of simply retrieving and using the top 10 articles from Google directly, I'm taking a different approach. Here, I extract topics and ideas from these articles without immediately generating content. Each topic may yield around 50 ideas, leading to a comprehensive research phase where I search Google for each idea, potentially reviewing hundreds of articles. From this extensive research, I compile the final output. When running this automation, such as with a topic like AI agents, expect a longer processing time due to the thorough research involved. This method acts like an intelligent assistant built on Make, processing initial results, extracting topics, conducting further Google searches per topic, and finally, using OpenAI to synthesize the articles into the desired output. Let's see the results in action shortly. We've completed the research phase. Now, let's see the final research paper generated. When you open the result, you'll see the output based on your prompt. This prompt is crucial. It determines whether you generate a full research paper, Twitter posts, Facebook posts, or even a YouTube script. This workflow involves intensive research on a topic, using OpenAI to create diverse content types based on your prompt. As mentioned earlier, this automation empowers you to generate a wide range of content. So, we've explored how automation powered by AI can revolutionize your content creation process. From researching topics to generating polished articles, this workflow has shown its potential to save time and enhance productivity. Whether you're creating blog posts, social media content, or research papers, leveraging tools like OpenAI can amplify your capabilities. Remember, mastering the art of crafting effective prompts is key to unlocking the full potential of these automation tools. As we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. How do you think AI-powered automation can benefit your content creation process? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you're eager to explore more about boosting productivity and creativity, don't forget to subscribe to Profitability Plus for more insights and strategies. Hit that like button if you found this video valuable, and remember to share it with anyone who could benefit. Thanks for watching.